We have some Samsung news. This is from Tech Reader. This is the new design of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. And some people are not happy for some reason. But Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 Photoshop, the camera bump and regularly listing. So I think the design is pretty good. Just for comparison, now I'm gonna show you the previous, the first generation of the Z Fold. Obviously, as you can see, we have the ugly notch here, and I mean it's a different story. Many people was complaining about this this notch, but now the design is different, as you can see here. Now this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, which I think looks interesting for 2020. We don't have the ugly notch anymore, and we have some pictures here. As you can see, the camera looks the same as the Note 20 Ultra. Some people are happy, some people are not happy, obviously due to the camera bump is quite big. Also, the design looks very good. The hinge is different, as you can see. I hope doesn't have the same issues like the first generation. But Samsung, I think, learned their path very well. They should listen to customers before they do anything. But yeah, I think the design looks good. Now you can see the camera bump here is quite outside, should I say. But you can fix that with a case. Obviously, you have to protect the smartphone. Obviously, it's gonna be expensive. I hope the price is different, but I'm not sure that this is gonna be the case for the new Galaxy Fold 2. So yeah, let me know, what do you think? Do you like the design?